Hey, and welcome to That Fabric Guy. This is a bit of a strange episode where I am unpacking my new MVP award. And as you can see, the 2025 award is already standing here. And now I'm going to try and open it on camera. I brought tools for that because otherwise this will probably be a mess. And I mean, I'm super glad that I got reinstated as an MVP for the 2026-2027 fiscal year. That was nice. It is I think a really nice honor to be amongst a group of other MVPs. This is really awesome. So thank you for everybody that has been viewing my content, coming to my conferences, and frankly at Microsoft has been reading my MVP application again, because that was probably a long read. So what did we get in the mail today? We got this nice little box. It looks a bit like a ring box maybe. I hope there's no ring in it. I mean, my wife would not expect me to wear another ring, probably. It says Microsoft Most Valuable Professional, and when we open it, there are some goodies. I see stickers. That's cool. You can never have enough stickers. So let's put it over there. And then for the important part of the award, right? For the trophy that we get, the new ring with the 2026-2027 fiscal year there. So let's put that onto the award. Let's go there. And that's it. Now, getting your MVP award is not something that is changing my life, right? I've mentioned that before in conversations with other MVPs that were really stressed out about their renewal. I said, well, if I'm not renewed, that's fine. I keep doing what I'm doing. I build fabric platforms for my customers and they are happy. I am happy with the work that I do. And I keep sharing the knowledge that I gain while doing that work. So I keep doing conference speeches. I keep doing YouTube videos because I like doing those and I like sharing my knowledge with the broader community. Now, whether I'm an MVP or not, it doesn't really matter. Maybe it matters because I get some insights and some contacts with the Microsoft product teams. That's cool. Other than that, I'm just glad I got renewed, right? And I'm glad I get to do this for another year. So with that said, let's keep doing this for another year. I'll keep shooting because this is one of my shooting days today. And let's continue producing awesome content. And I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.